markets for us in Mexico are highly automotive all the way to toys. They are very quality sensitive. So we are helping people get an end result of a good quality product. Our manufacturers that use us in Mexico are very interested in saving productivity costs and raising productivity. They're wanting to improve quality, to get up to the next level on their OEE scores of quality improvement. They're wanting to improve their productivity scores, or their machine availability scores of OEE scores in Mexico.
So basically, we're excited to do the Meximold show this year because the mold making industry in Mexico has grown significantly just within the last 5 years. We are a member of the AMMMT in Mexico, and we've seen the growth, and we've seen all the shops getting into it because they really are needed. The people who use molds and require mold maintenance or require new molds have asked for local support, and that's what they need in Mexico. So the local support has grown, and they're all learning how to do it new, I would say. I mean, some have been around much longer than others, but it's a growing field. So the show is very exciting for us because it's going to give us an opportunity to present the product and introduce more people to the technology that Hymer can offer in order to make their production better.
So Unisig offers milling and drilling machines for the mold industry, and what we want to offer to the Mexican market is our USC version machine for deep hole drilling as well as milling in mold tools. So we see the mold making industry in Mexico as an emerging market. Many mold shops from US and Canada are building greenfield sites and starting shops in Mexico. So from our perspective, it's definitely a growth market.
And what we've got here is a C22, one of our smaller machines that has been developed for the die mold industry. It's a machine that can handle a part in the 400 millimeter range. We got direct drives in all axes, torque in Z, so a very dynamic machine. Been designed for mainly the die mold industry. So what we're going to showcase at Meximold in Querétaro is we're going to have the exact same machine on display. We're going to show the exact same part. This part has been programmed in Work and See, and we'll have this demo at Meximold in Querétaro.
It offers a complete line of standard and special parts for the mold builders, and we can do basically the print off the shelf. We are a manufacturer, so also save you money. Please come see us at my booth in Meximold. We will have some specials, some hands-on parts that you guys can take a look at, and we'd like to do business with you. Come visit us.
With that, I will say to you, nos vemos en Meximold.
Nos vemos en Meximold.
Nos vemos en Meximold con todo gusto.
Nos vemos Meximold.
Nos vemos en 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 Meximold.
Nos vamos en Meximold.
Nos vemos en México. Meximold.